Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zulfaina Mufida. My name is 33240132. In this video, I would like to explain entitled The Flooding of Conversational Maxims in Teenage Interaction, a pragmatic study of 10 things I hate about you. So, why I choose this journal? Because I interested in the way teenagers communication in their everyday lives, particularly how they often say things that do not match their literal meaning. In many teenage conversation, the intended meaning is often hidden behind sarcasm, jokes, teasing, or indirect responses. The theme of floating conversational maxim was chosen because this phenomenon frequently appears in teenage interaction. Yet it is often misunderstood as incorrect or poor language use. In pragmatic studies, however, violations of conversational maxims are seen as deliberate communicative strategies used to express emotions, maintain social relationships, or protect one's own feelings. The film 10 Things I Hate About You was selected as the research object because it 1. Present realistic and emotionally rich teenage dialogues. 2. Is rich in sarcasm, humor, and interpersonal conflict. 3. Is easy for audience to understand, making it suitable as linguistic data. Through this journal, I am aims to demonstrate that language is not only about what I said, but also what is meant, especially in teenage communication. Introduction. In the introduction, I explain that this study is situated within the field of pragmatics, which focuses on meaning in relation to context. The main focus of the research is floating conversational maxims, which occurs when speakers intentionally violate Greece conversational rules to create implied meanings such as sarcasm, irony, or indirect criticism. I emphasize the teenagers frequently use this strategy because language functions not only as a communication tool, but also as a way to manage emotions, protect self-image, negotiate social relationships, express personal identity. The introduction also highlights that although previous studies have discussed maxim floating, there is still limited research using films or video data as authentic linguistic source, making this study relevant and original. Research question. The study is guided by two main research questions. 1. Which conversational maxim is floated in a specific scan where cat, insult, Patrick's, and what implicator is created by that floating? 2. How does maxim floating also appear in everyday conversations, such as when people say something untrue or exaggerated to be humorous or to express feelings indirectly? This question shows that the research connects theoretical pragmatics with real-life communication practice. Description of the research object. The research object is the 1999 Film 10 Things I Hate About You, a teen romantic comedy adapted from Shakespeare's The Taming of the Shrew. The film issues a linguistic corpus, meaning it serves as the primary source of language data. The film was chosen because 1. Its dialogue contained rich sarcasm, humor, and irony. 2. The interactions reflect realistic teenage communication in a high school setting. 3. Many meanings are conveyed implicitly rather than directly. Characters such as Kate, Bianca, Patrick, and Cameron provide strong examples of how teenagers use language strategically. Research object and benefit. The main objective of the study are to demonstrate that floating conversational maxim is not a linguistic error. 2. It is deliberate communication strategy. Through dialogue analysis, the author shows that sarcasm, humor, exaggeration are used by the character to hide vulnerability, maintain emotional distance, reduce tension, express cynicism indirectly. The benefit of this research is that it helps readers understand that meaning in conversation is often implied rather than literal, especially in teenage communication. Theoretical framework. This section outlines the theories used in the analysis. A. Pragmatics. Pragmatic examines how meaning is interpreted based on context, speaker intention, and social circumstance, not just linguistic structure. B. Gritch's cooperative principle. According to Gritch, effective communication is based on cooperation between speakers released through four maxims: 1. Quantity, 2. Quality, 3. Relation, 4. Manner. C. Floating conversational maxim. I explained that speaker intentionally float this maxim to create humor, sarcasm, and irony, conflict management, and social positioning. This theoretical framework forms the foundation for analyzing the film dialogues. Analysis and discussion. Several key dialogues from the film are analysis. 1. Cat maxim of quality. Cat uses sarcasm that contradicts literal truth. The implicator reveals that she is emotionally guarded and uses sarcasm as a defense mechanism. 2. Bianca, maxim of quantity. Bianca provides excessive and unexaggerated information, reflecting her materialistic mindset and teenage worldwide. Cameron, maxim of manner. Cameron's ambiguous responses create humor and reflect his nervous excitement. This example shows that maxim floating plays an important role in character development, emotional expression, and relationship dynamics. Conclusion. The conclusion states that teenage characters in 10 Things I Hate About You frequently float Gritch's conversational maxim to express emotion, maintain social identity, and negotiate interpersonal relationships. Sarcasm, exaggeration, ambiguity, and indirect humor make the dialogues feel natural and realistic. Overall, the study demonstrates that pragmatics help audience understand not only what characters say, but what they truly mean beyond the literal level. So, based on my own journal research, I use 10 of journal reference, and here is the journal reference. So that's what can I explain based on my journal. If there's any wrong word or any problem, I really want to say sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.